Before we play Dragonhunter, we're going to go over just a few spots that will help you be successful on this. The first spot I want to look at is the first measure, which is actually the same as measure 57 at the very bottom. This is a 3-beat note, and it's really challenging because the cello and basses change before you do. So you want to count slow, slow, bow, because the cello and basses play da, da, they change notes before you. So just really hold that out. Then you will see in this that there are a whole bunch of commas, and those are bow circles. I didn't write bow circle in because you got this virtually. So be aware of those. If you have to write it in yourself, please do that. Now let's go to measure 17. On measure 17, you see the 2 up bows. Those are a stop bow. That's all it is. Next, going from arco to pizzicato, measure 35 to 36. It's a very fast change. We don't really have time to go to a fist and back to a bow position. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise our wrist in the air and put our pointer finger out. So I'm going to try this one time without looking at my strings, and we'll see if I make it. And then the next time I'll look at my strings. So I'm going to go 35 and 36. See, I kind of missed. So this time I'm going to take a quick peek. Also notice the counting. Don't ask me why, don't know why. The counting in measure 37 into 38 can be kind of hard for orchestras. Might not be hard for you, but it can be hard for an orchestra. So the counting, if I play at the beginning of that line at 33, the counting going into 38 sounds like this. 2, 3. 2, 3. 3, 4. And then still pizzicato at measure 38, almost played arco. And then back to arco at measure 54. And then the other thing is the order that we're going to play. When we get to measure 56, it's a DS. We go back to the beginning, but not the very beginning. You're going to go back to rehearsal 4. If you're playing off of your beginning orchestra music, it says A. So you're going to go back to that little sign. Then you're going to keep playing. Once you get to measure 26, at that little Coda sign, the target sign, you are going to jump or portal or go to the Coda, which is measure 57. So you're going to jump all the way down. If you're still looking at your beginning orchestra music, sometimes that sign is not in quite the right spot. It's supposed to be at the very end of measure 26. One more thing about the Dragonhunter viola part. If you are looking at your beginning orchestra viola part, there are a couple notes that are a little different. And in fact, it might sound a little clashy. And that's okay, because I think what was going on there is it was covering some of the second violin parts. So you just keep playing, and using the beginning part is okay. If you are recording this time, make sure you have your devices all set up and ready to go. So get ready to record in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, ready, go.